Alden with third of the 8. Yan ay story ni Alden. Yan binati niya ng happy birthday. Si Lesa. Yan happy birthday. At saka ito yung ganap ni Alden. Yan kasama niya yung mga kapwa biker. Yung mga nagsicycling. Kagaya ni Alden. Yan nagbike si Alden. Yan sa Antipolo. Yan ang mga kasama ni Alden. Yan spotted siya dyan sa Antipolo Rizal. Yan ang hobby ni Alden mag-cycling. Ayan, Alden Richardson. Gamit niya yung kulay dilaw. Black and yellow na Tornado. Solid. Saka ito pa yung IG story ni Alden. Bible verse. Love each other as I have loved you. Saka, with or without a love team, the GMA actor steps up to the plate. You know. Ito pa yung mga video ni Alden with Barbie Fortesa at Kay Alcantara during Mega Ball 2026. Great fan ni Alden. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for my update. This is Richard, the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya!